Today we are checking out our recent finds from JPFans. I have been trying to find this Barbie extra Ken doll and luckily I found it there along with these Barbie figurines. So I got this pack of mini Barbies. We have 7 pieces and from what I know, these are based on actual Fashionista Barbies. And I love miniatures like this, so obviously I had to get these. We have one based on Fashionista 20, 27, 22, and a whole bunch of others I couldn't identify. Each of these figurines has painted details and they're fixed on their Barbie platforms. Including the base, this figure is about 2.5 inches tall. These figurines do not have articulation, but if you look at the face, they do have more defined features versus mini Barbies. And the colors on these dolls are just as vibrant on the actual Fashionista Barbies. I got a leftover Barbie career figurine here to compare. Let's see what we have. We found Baker Barbie. We've opened a bunch of these in one of our previous videos and I'll add the link up here. Here it is next to our miniature Fashionista. This is a much shorter figurine at less than 2 inches. And honestly, the career figurines features look a little more cartoonish. And these could pass off as Barbie Fashionistas for our Barbies. Here it is with one of our Barbies. It might look a little too big for Barbie scale, but this works as a good doll. And looking at one of our dolls holding our figurines, I would say this is a perfect Fashionista size for her. Would have been better if this doll is removable from the base, but no, but that's fine. I am so in love with these mini figurines, and I can tell our Barbie is too. I am super glad that I now have extra fly Ken. I mostly do my shopping on Shopee or Amazon, but I couldn't find this Ken on either, so I'm surprised to find him on JPFans. I've been looking for him for so long. He is on eBay for as much as $125 and I couldn't do that, so when I saw him on JPFans for $75, I decided to get him. What I appreciate the most about ordering from JPFans is they have warehouse inspection. That allows you to see the items you ordered where they do quality checks before they get packed. They send you actual pictures of your items to ensure they're in good shape, and JPFans currently offers 50% on Mercari items and some of these are not on Amazon, like this one. They also offer 15% shipping discount, so if you'd like to register, click on the link in the description to sign up and get $86 coupons. Extra Fly Ken is on this doll packaging and this is shaped like a luggage. You can see all the other vacation themed dolls here on the back. I really don't have a lot of Barbie extra dolls, but I would have wanted to have this one. See, these two look perfect together. Let's take a look at everything he comes with, so let's get him out. His Ken doll is so handsome. Out of the packaging, you can see that his hair needs a little TLC, so let's fix that.
A few moments later.
All better. He has the same face sculpt as the Barbie style Ken and last year's holiday Ken. And looks like he has a collector's head from what I see. He has dark hair with blue-green highlights and this has a lot of product in it. He has light brown eyes and a neutral lip color. He's wearing this pink beach-themed collared shirt with leaf prints. His outfit has long sleeves and this closes with a strip of Velcro in front. He's wearing matching shorts with elastic waistband. And he's also wearing a pair of blue sandals with painted details. He comes with this gold wristwatch, gold twist bracelets with a purple shell and pearl bracelet, violet colored sunglasses, purple headphones. I'm used to seeing the Barbie silhouette logo on Barbie headphones, this one doesn't have it. We also have this purple duffel bag with molded details. It says Ken Extra and it has this star-shaped tag that says Barbie Extra Fly. This bag opens to allow putting items inside. He also has this blue shoulder bag, this pink beach towel with prints on one side, a boogie board with wrist attachment, this tiny yellow passport, here it is with our doll, and he also has a plane ticket that says Barbie Extra Fly. Our doll also comes with this cute Extra Fly ticket for the collector, and he also comes with this cute tropical drink for when he relaxes at the beach. He has the same articulation as Barbie movie Kens, so he has movement at the head, shoulder, can move forward and backward like so. He has a single jointed elbow. Let's take a look at that. Yeah, it's single jointed. And he also has articulation at the wrist. He has movement at the hip and he also has a single jointed knee. And he couldn't really put the drink much closer to his face, so let's give him a made to move body. I have our customized Fashionista 236 from our April Fool's video. And looking at these two, I'd say it's a good skin tone match. Okay, I think it's warm enough. And this one too. And let's change the clothes. His is perfect. And here's our Ken on a made-to-move body. And with more articulation, we can now have our Ken in more poses than before. I'm so glad I finally have extra flight Ken. His clothes, his accessories, I just love everything about this doll. I'm also happy to have these Barbie figurines because they would be perfect decor for our doll space. But of all of our finds, I would say my favorite is Ken. Don't forget to check out JPFans in the link below, and as always, thank you for joining us in another unboxing and review video. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram at Ty's Collectibles and give us a like, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. And before you go, we've officially reached over 10,000 subscribers, and I couldn't thank every one of you enough for supporting the channel. If you haven't yet, please subscribe to Ty's Collectibles for doll news, craft ideas, unboxing, and honest reviews. You can check out more of our content here, or you can watch this one right here. Again, thank you so much for your continued support in helping our channel grow. We'll see you next time.